Today's session was about our strategic plan, a review of where we are currently and planning for this year and potentially for the next 3 years. Participating in the event today was our executive leadership team and our board.
In many sessions like this, it's supposed to be more about the process, but this was a combination of the process, the way to think about the process, and then actually using our strategic goals means that we have a foundation to actually move faster and quicker when we return to our prospective offices.
As time went on, people started to be more engaging, a bit more honest, definitely sharing some of the struggles that they have and what they're dealing with. So I love the transparency. And then as they came to the groups, that's when you really saw people really getting into the nitty-gritty.
Problem solving, communication, creativity, those are all characteristics of interior designer. So even if you don't think of yourself as a creative, everyone is an interior designer.
And so it was very cerebral. It forced us to really think outside the box. I really saw how all three groups, you could take all of the outcomes and really layer them on top of each other and come up with a very sound kind of roadmap of how we should move forward. So that was very encouraging to see the alignment between the staff and senior leadership and board members.
I think this idea of needing a long period of time to strategize or come to a final plan, it certainly shows that, in 6 hours in a day, if you actually are focused and you use common ideals to help people ascertain certain concepts, that you can move much faster. So I think it'll be really helpful in helping a smaller team to do the same thing to help with their day-to-day operations.
To take time to step away and think about the big picture is invaluable. So I'm very proud of my team. Everyone was engaged. Everyone is energetic. Everyone was brimming with ideas. The EX3 team is amazing. You created a very interactive, engaging experience for all of us, and we look forward to this being the beginning of a long-standing relationship.